This time around on Flipping the Pages, we're taking a look at the 1995 and 1996 Matchbox Collectibles Christmas Catalogues. Up here in the corner of the 95, it says ordered by December 1st for Christmas delivery. So you can tell this is a limited selection that they're providing. And it has some cool cars in it. It has some cool castings. This is the 95 that we're taking a look at first. Only 5,000 of this one will ever be available. It says the Scandia Vabis Holiday Special. And it has skis in the front and tracks in the back. You gotta love that. It was $29.50 back then. So it was an expensive casting even then. Actually, all of that, maybe I'm just cheap. Looking at this, the Christmas Treasures 1995 on this right-hand page, it's $29.50, but I guess that's for the set. Yeah, for the set of 4. God, I'm cheap. I mean, they're nice, but I don't know. I don't know if they're $29.50 nice. Which would probably easily be, what, $50, $75 now? Train set, one of the train cars has cars on it. That's $45 for the Holiday Express train. I guess that's not too surprising. The pewter 1938 Jaguar SS100, only 2 installments of $19.50 each for that one. 1939 Triumph Dolomite, that's only $24.50. They didn't put oh, I guess they did put only on the other one too. Oh, here you go. Yeah, now this is nice. Oh, it's a 1/18 scale. 57 Chevy Bel Air Nomad. The Sunny California edition of this classic. 2 installments of $19.50 each for that one. Matchbox Golden Eagle watch. 3 installments of $29.50 if you want that watch. I've never seen anything like that. I imagine there's some still running around out there. Own the first official Harley-Davidson radio-controlled bike. 3 installments of $29.50. I remember these horse and carriage things when I was a kid. For some reason they were popular, but it's not like they were popular with kids. They were popular with adults. I remember my parents had 1 or 2 carriages with the horses. There were more horses on the sets they had, but they were still kind of cool. I remember them sitting up on a shelf. Display your vintage diecast replicas with pride. Ladder style display rack. The rack itself is 2 installments of $19.50. Or you can get the fire engine set, which is nice. I mean, it looks good on that rack. That's 5 installments of $37.50. Jeez. Great beer display rack, only 2 installments of $24.50 each. I guess that's just for the rack. Yeah, it's just for the rack. Does not include the beer trucks. Great Beers of the World with a Matchbox car on the other side of that tankard. The pair of tankards were $27.50. If you wanted 4, it's 2 installments of $24.50. That's a cool fire truck. 1930s Aaron's Fox Quad. 3 installments, $29.50. I don't mean to dwell on the prices, but I'm just kind of shocked by how much stuff was. Here on the back of the 95 catalog, they have a Jim Beam truck. 2 installments of $24.50 for that. And this was the order sheet for that. Here they had the official International Postal Trucks collection, $24.50 for all 6. It's kind of interesting. I mean, I like how they did the liveries for all of those. I mean, today you could build your own set of these, just throw some decals on stuff, which would be a fun theme to do. The 1996 Christmas catalog. Let me set the 95 to the side. Fire truck with Santa. '55 Chevy 3100. $29.95. 4.5 inches long. These are all larger scales. Really, most of the ones we're looking at are larger scale. They're larger than 1/64. That's what I'm trying to say. Santa comes to your neighborhood. Matchbox Holiday Fire Engine, 2 installments of $19.50. The Yesteryear book, Matchbox Models of Yesteryear. That's a nice looking book with all the old cars. Shows every model issued from 1956 to 1996. 1905 Bush self-propelled fire engine. That's cool. That's 1/43rd scale. Heirlooms from the Matchbox archives. The Matchbox Originals holiday ornaments. That's kind of neat. Soda truck. Pepsi Vintage 1932 Ford Woody Wagon. All aboard the Matchbox Railroad. That I like the coloring on that. That's nice. And other logos on here, like Goodyear is on there, Pennzoil is on this back here. That's an interesting idea. I like that. Our GIs and generals love this Jeep. Headquarters sign on the front. Humvee that with camouflage, but it almost looks weathered as well in a way. Something about the coloring on it. 70 Pontiac GTO. That looks odd for some reason. I'm not sure what it is about that, but something about it seems a little off to me. Matchbox Eagle watch. $1930 Duesenberg. There's the display that we saw in the previous year's catalog. If you like fire engines, you'll love this clock. Now that's a cool clock. That is nice. Crafted by the greatest name in diecast. 3 payments of $29.50. On the back, J&B Scotch. Jingle bells, don't forget the J&B. That's cute. That's a real cute idea. A couple other things that we're laying around with these. Pills, Potions, and Powders. A special box set features the Ford Model A van. Those are kind of interesting. Vicks Vapor Rub. And Matchbox money, $5. I won't spend it all in one place. Everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this look through a couple of their Christmas catalogs from 1995 and 1996. Stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.